Hey everyone, we are going to do another one about the volcano. Anyway, let's start. We need vinegar and baking soda together to make an explosion. We also need the color of red and yellow food coloring and mix them together to make orange. We mix the yellow and red colors to make the color orange. That's the color lava. It don't actually do fire, but it do explode and there's bubbles coming out of the lava. Put it in a cardboard volcano. You can't choose a rock one. Okay. So you can only choose the cardboard one, and you see the cardboard one right over there. You even see some white paint trail. That was from the explosion. It was even bubbling in the top, and then it bounces through one side, and then after we did that again, it came out of all the four sides. Bye everyone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next Jahansify video.